Hi traders, it's Ben Ngoo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, then probably you might be struggling with consistency, and don't worry, this video will actually help you to learn a thing or two which could actually help your trading in the long run. Now, if you want to join my community, the Telegram link will be in the description. Um, will be in the video description and pinned in the comment section. You can ask me questions on Telegram, okay? Um, regarding my private community, regarding concerning the chats, I'll always reply your DMs, your questions, whatever you have to ask, just ask, okay? I'm always active there. And I'm going to break down trades taken today. Okay, this was shared with my members and everything. And the general community actually posted the analysis just before the trade played out. So when I sat down for session, for London session, I posted the analysis there, and price played out perfectly to the T just before reversing. And if you keep taking trades, the way I'm going to actually break down the charts now, if you keep taking trades the same way with similar principles, over time, you definitely would see change. You'll see change in your trading. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Um, for the way I trade, I start my analysis from the daily. The reason is because the daily gives me an idea of the overall direction and where I should see price head off to. Okay, so let's look at this now based off candlesticks. Okay, candlesticks. Now we could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the past 7 days, we had this. Okay, for 7 days we had this kind of like little candles printing and a form of consolidation here, and suddenly this was Monday's candles. You can see this strong bearish engulfing all the 7 candles. Okay, so this shows currently there's the momentum is downside, and we can see price breaking below this level of support here. Okay, this level of support here. Now, for this current daily candle, which is today, I was actually expecting price to retest this level of support and continue on its way down to retest the daily low. Okay, so when price is trying to like break from this low, then I'll look for another entry, another breakout entry to target some significant 4-hour levels. So that's just simple and straightforward. This was a strong bearish engulf. I was expecting to take a retest on the entry to target the low. Now, the reason why the low was of significant importance was because if we look to the left, you can see this actually coincides with this level of resistance here. Okay, so there's a very high chance that price will actually react from here on the 4-hour. Okay, so let's go down to the 4-hour to refine our levels. Okay, so let me just remove all this. Okay, let me mark out the 4-hour support which I was looking at. So I was looking for a retest here and continuation to downside on this daily candle. So looking at the 4-hour, okay, percent. Let me just refine this. Okay, we can see this actually is in line with this here. So I was expecting a reaction from this onto the downside. So let's mark this out. This is our level of support which has been broken, now acting as resistance. So what was I looking at? Just before this candle formed. Okay, let me just oops. Just before this candle formed, we're looking at this. Okay, price was interacting with this. So on the 4-hour, what do? I go down to the lower time frames. Now um, this is a 30 pip, 28 pip, 29 pip range, and I don't expect to just take the trade on the 4-hour. Okay, so you can actually take it on the 4-hour, but to me, it actually makes no sense. Okay, we are trying to look for day trades here. Okay, so I'm looking for day trades. I take advantage of the lower time frames. Okay, so the 4-hour, I mark out my levels. That's just where I trade. Same way I teach in my community. Okay, same principles day in day out. Okay, so this is it, and I was just expecting a reaction. And my target was this 4-hour low here, the support right here. and this is where I was looking to take profits. Okay, so if price was breaking below here, I would have looked to take entries and target probably this level of resistance here. We didn't get that breakout. Okay, so for the retest, I was looking on the 1 hour. Okay, the 15 minute was kind of messy, blah blah blah. I stepped up to the 1 hour. Okay, so this thing happened when I was trading. I don't know when this came out, but anyways, what I was looking at was, we can see this I created, this I breaking above this, breaking this, confirming the support here. So the moment I saw this candle close strongly below this, breaking below the support, engulfing this previous candle, that's where I took my entries. I took my entries in this candle week about 7 to 0.772. Yeah, this is where I took entries, and stop loss was just above the structure there. Okay, so which was about 10 pip, and my target was just this. Yeah, okay, my target was that support right there. It was about 2.1 pip. Yeah, 2.1 risk to reward. So this was just, it's simple, straightforward. Okay, so that was how I took trades on the retest. So simple, just following market structure and all. So that's just the second trade was actually on NZD around this year. I'm not going to break that down because that's on the breakout. So I took profits at about 1 to 1 because I was stepping out from the chart and I didn't really see the momentum. Okay, the 4 hour candle was way extended. This was about around this point. I took profits around, yeah, 6 to, yeah, somewhere around here. It was extended and I felt, looking at average candle sizes on the 4 hour, I took the breakouts from this blue. Look at the average size range of the 4 hour candle. I didn't expect price to just continue. Like, it was looking impossible for the market to do. So I just took profits at that point. And luckily for me, price just reversed. So it was 1 to 1 trade. So I took a 1 hour here and a 2 hour here. A 2 hour here. So that's just a 3 hour, about 3 hour for the day. So that's just the way it is. Okay. Simple first trade of the year. Easy. Okay. So this is the same way I trade in, day out, same principles and all that. Okay. So that's just the way it is. So I hope some traders got 1 or 2 things from this trade breakdown, and you can actually incorporate it in your daily trading. Okay, just back test, learn, just do what you have to do. Okay, this year you have to like try to elevate your trading. Okay, get some consistency, find what works, try to tweak it to suit your style, your personality. Okay, this suits my personality better. Okay, I like, it works perfectly with me. Okay, so that's just the way it is. Okay, see you guys in my next video. If you're yet to subscribe, okay, subscribe to my channel and do those fun stuff. Bye for now.